Hey everyone, Not Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make brownie batter, no-churn ice cream. Let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 box of brownie mix plus the ingredients called for on the back of the box. So I'm using the Pillsbury milk chocolate brownie mix, and mine says 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of water, and 2/3 cup of vegetable oil. Then you need 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 cups of heavy cream, which should equal to this pint here. So that's all you need for the ingredients. And then of course you're going to need a loaf pan and then something to make your brownies in. So I'm just using a 9x13 baking dish. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 and spray our 9x13 baking dish with cooking spray. Okay, next I just poured my box of brownie mix into a large bowl, and I reserved 1/2 cup of the dry mix. And then of course, if the back of your brownie box does say a different heating temperature, go ahead and abide by the back of the box. Mine does say 350, so we're good on that. So I am going to go ahead and make my brownie mix as it says on the back of the box. Alright, all the rest of my ingredients are in my bowl, so I'm just going to mix that with an electric mixer until it is all combined and evenly proportioned, about 2 minutes probably on medium speed. Or if you want to do it by hand, that's fine, 50 strokes. Alright, that looks good, so I'm going to scrape down my sides and then pour it into my prepared pan. Alright, these are ready to go into the oven. My time is 28 to 31 minutes, but you may have to add a few minutes since we didn't use all of the mix. It'll be take a little longer to cook. Alright, while my brownies are baking, I went ahead and put my 1/2 cup of brownie mix into a bowl and add my sweetened condensed milk. I was starting to measure mine out, but that was too hard, so I just pretty much used the whole can. And then I just didn't scrape out the sides or anything like that, but I think that's about a cup. So I'm just going to mix that until it's all combined, and then we're just going to set it to the side. Alright, that looks great. I just whisked mine together until it was nice and combined, and you don't see any of the mix anymore. So like I said, we're just going to set that to the side and wait for our brownies to get finished. Alright, my brownies have come out of the oven and cooled completely, and I just crumbled them into bite-sized pieces. They don't have to be real small, you just want them to be, nice chunks, and they are so good, and they're so moist. So next, go ahead and pour your heavy whipping cream and your vanilla into a large mixing bowl, and we're going to beat that until stiff peaks form, so it's 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, that is done. That took 6 or 7 minutes. I knew 2 or 3 minutes did not sound right to me. But so basically when you remove your whisk or your mixer, your stiff peaks should still form. See how mine are still formed like that? So next we are going to fold in our sweetened condensed milk mixture and most of your brownie. You just want to leave some to pour onto the top. Alright, that looks pretty mixed to me. So next I'm going to pour that into my loaf pan, and I reserved about that much to sprinkle on top. Alright, that looks perfect, so I'm going to put my little brownie chunks on top, and then we're going to put that in the freezer, cover it, and put it in the freezer for 5 hours. Okay, this is all wrapped and ready to go into the freezer. Like I said, 5 hours up to overnight. Okay, our ice cream has all set up now, so we're going to get some for taste tester and see what he thinks. Hey, taste tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.